He's just a good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Well, what's kind of a rarity these days, I'm home. I don't know well, I do know, not for very long, but we've not been out in the shop for a while. Let's go see what is here. Because I happen to know we had a package come in. Good old Silver Sport has the transmission fixed for Baby D. I will put a picture right here. As you can see, I tore that thing up. It looked like something that come out of the Top Fuel car, not out of Baby D. They got us fixed up. I'm gonna open the box up and get Baby D up on the bin pack. See if we can get a transmission back in this thing. I miss driving it. I ain't gonna slack up on them burnouts, but I definitely broke it, and I broke it bad. It's part of what happens when you're mean to your hot rod. I can't help myself. I do that. Cannot begin to thank the folks at Silver Sport enough for getting that thing fixed up, because I definitely broke it. There she is. One freshened up Tremec from Silver Sport Magnum, the old double overdrive, the thing that makes Baby D so fun. Stomp on that loud pedal, dump the clutch, burn up some tires. Silver Sport to the rescue for Baby D. Well, let's get ready to start our install on the Magnum. I have got our throwout bearing spacers on here, same as what we had. None of that should change. The difficulty I am worried about, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take this off because it was difficult getting it out of the truck. The cool thing about the Silver Sport setup is you can get this in different locations. It can be here, it actually can be here. So you can hit the hole in your floor. In this particular case, the shifter goes through real close to the back. You can kind of see that's where I wrestled it out. And originally, when I got this, I did have to move it, and I did it from in the truck. No big deal there, except I've got Dynamat or whatever insulation stuck to the floor. I may have to undo some of that and put it in. I'm going to give it a shot with the shifter deal on there. I ain't got to be strong. I got the transmission jack. Let's put it in there. Let's go to work. We're off the lift. Now all we got to do is finish up the interior, which means reassemble the console, bolt the shifter back up, get the line lock back on the shifter. Hopefully all is good. Man, so impressed with the folks at Silver Sport Transmission. They know how mean I am to stuff, but I tell you what, their service is incredible. It don't matter if you're a Top Fuel drag racer or not. I sent that thing in, boom, turn around, right back out the door. Pretty cool. And hopefully in the next maybe hour, we'll be doing some burnouts. Let's go. Big moment. Will Baby D start? It has been months. Let's see what happens. Showing 12 volts, 33.6 pounds of fuel pressure, and the temperature is 75. Let's see. Oh, Baby D. Baby D. And it'll back up. And it'll pull forward. One thing about Baby D from day one with our junkyard, backyard Hemi rebuild, it just don't have much oil pressure. Lord knows this lived on the rev limiter enough. I don't guess it matters. Well, let's let the air condition out of the shop and hit the road. You know what I don't remember is, have I driven this since we put leaf springs on it? I don't think so. I can't remember. I really can't. So, the other thing we don't really know, when this thing locked up, did it hurt our fresh Moser Engineering 9-inch when it... I doubt it. Ain't but one way to find out. Baby D got air conditioning now. Kind of forgot about that, to be honest with you. Might as well take advantage of it. It's a hot day here in Drummond's 10. So far, Mr. Transmission feels good. It's actually quieter than it was. That was a successful test drive, which means there's only one thing left to really test: the Silver Sport transmission. We know what we got to do. One thing you can count on, Baby D can do a good burnout. And the old Silver Sport transmission is money. That and our dual disc McLeod clutch. Positive good burnouts. Baby D for the win, Silver Sport for the repair. Let's go. I love stomping on the loud pedal. That truck is a burnout machine. Baby D is back. Even went and made a grocery run. This thing is just so fun to drive. Appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. We'll see you in the next one. Let's go. Stomp on that loud pedal every time you get a chance.